just burned the crap out of my finger. That's gonna hurt real bad tomorrow. I hate you so much.
It's unfortunate because I love you.
Welcome back to the Pomchi pack, everyone. If you're new, welcome. Just thought I'd kind of update you a little bit on what I've been through before recording this. This is the third time I've tried to record this video and none of them seem to have worked out, and I have either been rudely interrupted or, you know, have the giggles, or burn myself and not get any of the footage. So between all of that, we are back and we are going to do a craft if it kills me, okay? So we're going to turn this box into a fabric covered box, something like this. And this is one that I've done before just with a regular Amazon box that folds out in the center, you know what I mean? So it goes like this. And so I just taped the two sides together, made a lid, taped it on the back. So this one is going to be a little bit different. It already has a lid, which is nice. And I'm going to decide if I just want to like tape those down, glue them down or something, and then like probably take this and glue this down too and tape it around. So we will go ahead and do that. But you guys, I have had the hardest time filming this video, so I truly hope you enjoy it because it has brought pain and suffering and tears to my ancestors. Anyways, this is just rambling from several efforts of trying to get this video done. So, let's get started. For today's project, you will need scissors, a knife to cut off extra cardboard, a ruler, a hot glue gun, extra glue sticks, and a washable marker. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue any of the like articulating edges, I guess. Since this one has one of those little lids that has the extra piece, we're just going to glue that down so that it doesn't affect the box later. Make sure you hold it down until it's completely dry and do the same thing with the side flaps as well. Now you're going to start to measure. I'm starting with the top. I'm giving it plenty of seam allowance with each side. Okay, now I'm going to lay this on top here just to make sure that the patterns are lining up. That's something that I didn't do in previous boxes that I like to do now. It makes the box look more put together and more professional. Alright, so now we size the pieces, make sure that they are a good length, and as you can see there is plenty of extra on the edges and the sides, and that will be very helpful for us to fold underneath to hot glue. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this extra piece off. It's going to be really hard to open and close with the fabric. I might regret this later, but I gotta try it. I think it's going to be much easier to not only put the fabric on, but also just to have a lid that doesn't have this extra piece. scoring it, and then I'm just kind of tearing off the excess just so I can get a good start, and then I kind of saw down to get a more even line. Now we can start attaching. Of course, when attaching the back, make sure to fold over the seam and leave a little bit left on the edges so that you can turn it over the side. For certain sides, I like to make the seam first before starting to attach. It makes it easier and less likely that I'll burn myself. When attaching the top, make sure to leave enough extra on the side so you can fold the sides over as well and create a seam. Go ahead and pull the back down to the bottom. And repeat the same thing with the sides and the front. Pretty straightforward. Now I'm realizing here that my pattern does not line up with this fabric piece, so I'm kind of annoyed with myself. But in a second, I'll realize why. This is me realizing that I put the bottom piece on the front. So, yeah. This project is not without error. And the bottom does not fit with the front piece. So, we're just gonna chug along. Secure any loose pieces. Now to keep this lid shut, I'm going to just, jimmy rig a closure system. I'm just going to use hot glue and some ribbon and a button. Pretty simple. Next, I'm going to make a bow. This is optional, definitely, but I like to have it as like a nice touch. You just need a zip tie, make a bow shape, pull the zip tie tight, use your mouth if you need to. And once pulled tight, make any adjustments needed. Cut the length that you want for the tails. Size it. And I'm cutting the little points at the ends, cutting from the folded side out and downwards. Now you want to used a lighter. This is a plasma lighter, so it's kind of fancy, but a regular lighter will do just fine, just so that the edges don't fray. Especially with this silk ribbon, it frays really easily. Now we're making the middle piece, and I just take what was left of the extra ribbon that we were using before, using that extra tail and just folding it over with some hot glue, and making it the width that I need in order to cover up that zip tie. Now cut it the length that you need it. Of course, leave plenty of extra so that you have a place to hold. Attach the first piece, don't burn yourself. And put some more glue on and wrap the piece around. And hold for about 30 seconds or longer, just to make sure that it's nice and secure. Adjust if needed. And then attach to your box. Gonna check and make sure that it can open and close just fine. Doing a little bit more checking work. Make sure that your bow is nice and attached before making any adjustments. Poof out your bow, make it look nice. Alright everybody, this is the finished product. I don't know why today's video was so unbelievably difficult to do. Today, you know, fate in the universe did not want me to make this video, but I just powered through anyway. But anyways, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's video and enjoyed learning how to make this type of box. It's fairly simple and it wasn't without a few mistakes. As you guys saw, I did forget to check which fabric to use. So this is actually on the front piece. This is actually supposed to be the bottom. So yeah, that's basically a good summary of how today's video has gone and just the background scenes of the fun life when things don't go right. Now, as far as today's video is, that is all I have for you. I do have some bloopers though, so we can play those for you right now. Welcome back to the Pomchi pack, everyone. If you're new,
Filming now.
oh my gosh, babe, are you done?
I waited for like 30 seconds just to interrupt that first part of your video. I'm sorry.
Shut the door. This is the third time I've tried to film this video and they all suck, so I'm trying to make it work. This is the third time. I hate you so much. Get out of my closet. Can you wait?
I'm providing content.
Just take the vacuum and leave.
That's unfortunate because I love you.
Alright, well, you're welcome for the bloopers. Now I hope that you guys enjoyed today's bloopers. There were plenty for me to choose from to put in today's video because things just did not go the way I wanted them to. I really enjoy making videos for you guys, and if you want to join us again in the future, again, I can't even talk right. I'm so worn out with this process. If you want to join us for a video again, please consider subscribing. If you want to join the madness, again, consider subscribing. Anyways, I think that's all I'm going to say today because it's just not coming out right. So, have a great day, you guys. Stay safe, be kind, and I will see you guys in the next one. And as far as today's video is, whatever this has become, or whatever it ends up to be, I hope it's much better than what it is right now. And this is as close as it will get today. Now, if you guys want to see videos that are a little bit more, you know, good luck, and a little bit more of me being able to articulate correctly, You guys can see more videos up here and up here. That's it for me, you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye.